build a website in 5 minutes without coding a single line of code for free. I just like to mention that below you have a link to a Google Docs that have all the steps, all the links of the softwares, everything you need. Now let's get to the point. The outcome I'm going to help you get is increase your conversions, make your brand more professional, and make people choose you instead of your competition. Forget about poor lead conversion and don't have a clear funnel. Now the framework we're going to use is a 7-step framework that will take you from no website to websites better than 99% of other coaches and consultants in 5 minutes. I just want to make a quick ad break, so put the ads in. It's really straight to the point. So if you are a coach or a consultant, we'll help you fill your calendar with appointments using an AI automated system that works for you while asleep. So if you would like to check that out, you just need to click on the first link. The first link is that, the second link is the Google Docs. Now let's actually build the websites. The first step is to go into Figma and you're going to choose a template and so on. I'm going to show you how can you do that. So right now we are here in Figma. You just need to log in and so on. And then you have here templates and tools. If you go to the templates I've just gave you, the free templates, you can just skip this video to the part where I start. Now here we have a bunch of templates. What you would do is come to websites, see more. Then you're going to click here on all products. And then here you can see paid or free. If you are willing to pay, you can pay, but let's do free. Now you're going to come show more and you're going to click on personal websites. Then when you choose the template, just put open it Figma. Now that we open the file, what we would do is come to design. You can have these types of things that you need to click here, but it's really simple. Then you just choose, you can choose this page, or this page is different type of pages. I'll just choose this one, whole page. Click with the right button of the mouse and click copy paste as and copy link to selection. Now, after you pick your template, what you want to do is pretty simple. You want to log in into Bolt, then you want to click on Figma, then you want to log in into Figma. After you click the button, will appear and you will click allow access to Figma. Then after do that, you just copy the link of the template we've choose here. Then you will click on import Figma frame into Bolt. Now you'll just wait a bit and after Bolt codes the design of the website, you can start working on it. So now the website is done. Now I want to give you the golden tip that those guys that build websites don't want to know as well. So you're going to come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to make prompts specifically for Bolt. And to make it even easier to you, on the Google Docs I've just listed below, you can get the prompt and just copy and paste it to ChatGPT. And you just come to ChatGPT and literally paste the prompt. You can do something on these lines and ChatGPT will just give me the prompt for Bolt. Just copy this and you go to Bolt again and you just paste it. So now I've just made the changes of the website. So here we have the website, we have this cool animation here. We have the image are better, the text are better. So here we still have a couple of mess that you can ask ChatGPT and Bolt to solve them. But yeah, it looks pretty decent. It's just a simple website, as you can see. Now what we're going to do, you're going to click on deploy. Only click on deploy after all the changes have been made. Now that the website have been deployed, you're going to have these two links. You're going to click on this one to claim the ownership of the project on Netfly. So now you're just going to log in to Netfly. So you're going to log in with an account, and if you don't have an account, you'll just come here and sign up with an account. Now, after you log in into Netfly, you probably come to this tab. So you're going to click on Claim Apps. That is basically claim the website. Now the website is claimed. All you're going to do is set up the domain. To the domain you can buy here on Netfly or you can just buy on Namecheap. So you're going to come to Namecheap, create an account again or register, and you're going to just search for a domain. And you can see this is available and is a premium domain. It is 84 euros a year. Now you don't need to go this expensive. You just need to buy a domain that is cheap. Doesn't need to be a premium domain. Now, of course, if it is premium, the DNS will just be better. But if it is not premium, that's no problem with it. So you'll just try to find one, try different combinations until you find a domain.com, the name of your company. Then you just come here. For example, you can put this domain. Of course, this is not my domain, so will not work, but it's just to show you how could you do it. And just say add domain. I'll just leave all of that on the Google Docs below and you don't need to worry about it. The last thing I just want to say, and you should really keep this in mind, is that if you want to change the website, please do not forget to click on deploy, because if you don't, this will not apply the changes to the actual website that is connected to the domain and is live. Now, I would just like to mention again that if you are a coach or a consultant and you are interested in getting a lot of appointments on your calendar with a system that constantly gets appointment while you sleep and also increase your client satisfaction, all of it automated by AI, you just need to click on the first link on the description. And with this said, I see you on the next one.